In this video, you will learn how to use superlatives in a sentence. This topic is a part of adjectives.
As learned earlier, adjectives are words used to describe a noun. For example, orange, tall, and dirty are adjectives. To compare three or more nouns, use a superlative word. For example, thin becomes thinnest, rich becomes richest, and strong becomes strongest.
To form a sentence to compare three or more nouns, use the before the superlative word. For example, my brother is the thinnest boy in class. Or, she is the richest woman. To make a comparison using pronouns like his, her, my, and your, do not use the. For example, to talk about your best friend, use my best friend is Tina and not the best friend is Tina. Let's take a look at another example. To talk about someone's favorite sport, use his favorite sport is football and not the favorite sport is football. Now you know how to use superlatives in a sentence.